Your stomach starts growling the second you see that iconic pink packaging on your screen. Your brain starts reacting before you even realize it. When a website pops up promising a dozen gourmet cookies for free, your logic takes a backseat. The reward center of your mind lights up like a holiday tree. This is the exact moment the scammers are waiting for. They have built a digital playground specifically designed to exploit your cravings and your curiosity. It all starts with a simple quiz. It looks professional. It has the right colors. They ask you about your favorite flavors or how often you visit the store. Every click feels like progress. Every answer makes the prize feel more certain. This is a deliberate tactic to build a sense of investment. You have already spent time on this. You feel like you have earned the reward. But that reward is a total ghost. The entire site is a facade built on stolen logos and empty promises. When you finally hit that big claim button, you expect a confirmation. Instead, you are thrown into a maze of redirects. You land on shady pages asking for your phone number or your home address. The person who built that first page just got paid. They earn a commission for every visitor they trap. They are literally monetizing your hunger. It is a cold and calculated business model. It feeds on the popularity of a beloved brand to steal your attention. If you look at the details, the red flags are screaming at you. The actual bakery has never mentioned this giveaway. Their official social media accounts are completely silent about it. The website address itself is usually a mess of random letters or a misspelled version of the real brand. If you check the registration, these sites are often only a few days old. Real corporations do not work this way. They do not hide their contact information. They do not use sketchy domain names. This is a data harvesting operation. They want your email address. They want your location. They want to know what kind of bait you will bite on. Once they have that data, they sell it. Your inbox will be flooded with spam for months. It is a high price for a cookie that does not exist. We are living in a time where our attention is a currency. Scammers know how to grab it using familiar colors and symbols. You have to be your own security guard. Pause before you give away your information. Ask why a major company would use a random website for a massive giveaway. The answer is simple. They would not. This is about more than just a missing snack. It is about how easily we can be manipulated by a clever interface. Your digital footprint is more valuable than any snack. Don't let a colorful quiz trick you into a trap. Keep your guard up. Keep your personal details private. If a deal feels like a miracle, it is just a very well-disguised trick. Stop clicking and stay on the official pages. Your privacy is worth more than a fake box of sweets. These traps are everywhere now. They rely on the speed of the internet and our desire for a quick win. Take a breath and look for the official checkmark before you trust a link. Your data is your property. Do not trade it for a lie wrapped in pink paper. Stay sharp and keep your information safe from the harvest.